naming a business is a nightmare. But changing that name halfway through the game is even worse, because it leaves a trail of confused customers and old reviews that do not seem to match up. If you have been looking into a specific online platform lately and feeling a bit lost, there is a very good reason for that. You might see the name Sam Carts on your screen while the internet is screaming about a company called Fanbases. This happens when a business decides to pull a total rebrand. They go from being known as one thing to suddenly sporting a fresh identity. It is like a witness protection program for software. In this case, the platform recently swapped its old title for a new one. If you go searching for the current name, you might hit a wall. The real goldmine of user feedback is often buried under the old label. This transition is why people are scratching their heads and wondering if they are about to get scammed. Let me clear the air right now. This is a real operating business. It is not some ghost in the machine or a fly-by-night operation that will vanish tomorrow. They handle the heavy lifting for creators. They manage the payments. They host the digital courses. They build the communities where people hang out and learn. They even deal with the marketing funnels that guide you toward a purchase. It is a legitimate tool used by many people to move money around the internet. However, just because the tool is solid does not mean every person using it is a saint. Think about it this way. If you walk into a store and buy a broken toaster, do you blame the credit card machine? Probably not. You blame the person who sold you the toaster. This platform is essentially that credit card machine. It is the plumbing of the internet economy. If someone is selling you a high-ticket item, your focus should not be on the software. Do not worry about how they process your card. You need to turn your detective lens toward the actual human being on the other side of that deal. Look at the companies selling the product. Check their track record. Look for testimonials that are not just screenshots on a landing page. The platform itself is just the middleman. It is a container for whatever someone decides to put inside it. Some people put in life-changing education. Others might put in something that is not worth what they are charging. You have to be the one to decide which is which. Do not run away just because the name changed or because you have never heard of them. That is a knee-jerk reaction that might make you miss out on something great. But do not jump in blindly either. High price tags require high levels of scrutiny. You want to know that the creator has a history of delivering on their promises. You want to see that they have a support team. You want to know if they actually care about your results. The tech is just the vehicle, the driver is who you really need to trust. This rebranding thing is just a distraction from the real work of being a smart consumer. It is easy to get caught up in the logistics of names and logos. Stick to the basics. If the seller checks out, the software they use is almost irrelevant. Stay sharp because the digital landscape moves fast. Focus on the value being offered. If the value is there, the name on the receipt does not matter nearly as much as the quality of the results you are getting.